Have you ever feel stuck? Like no matter what you try to do, you just don't know how to begin, or worse, you start something and then quit halfway. That's been my life for a while now. But in this 2025, something going to be different. Let me tell you why. Hey people, you're watching Growupwithbk and this me your Bharat. At 19, I have felt more stuck than ever. Every time I try to start something, whether it's freelancing, content creation for YouTube, or even just planning my life, the same question pop up into my mind. How do I do it? What do I do next? Is this even worth it? And more often than not, I quit. But there is one thing I know for sure. I don't want to be like everyone else. I don't want my life to be like just about exams, grades, and following the same path. I want to do something different, something meaningful. And you know what? Let's start here in the small bedroom. Consistency has been my biggest enemy. But this year, I'm going to break that cycle. Whether it's freelancing or making videos or building habit, I'm showing up every day. No excuses. Freelancing is not just a way to earn money for me. It's about my independence, proving to myself that I can create value and stand on my own 2 feet. In 2025, I'm scaling my freelancing work, especially video editing. I've always wanted to travel, to meet new peoples, and to hear their stories. I might be an introvert, but I know there is a world out there waiting for me. But in 2025, I'm stepping out my comfort zone, solo trips and heartfelt conversation and experiences that truly matters to me. Instead of just sticking to the textbooks, I'm going to learn from the world, real experiences, real challenges and real growth. And that's my game plan. 2025 is the year I'm stop holding back. I'm starting this journey from this my small bedroom. But this journey is going to take me the places only I have dreamed of. And also I'm inviting you to join with me. And let's make this year unforgettable. For this journey, you don't have to do any subscriptions or membership. By clicking the subscribe button, you can stay connected with me.